What's up, Harvey Park? This is it. This is it for 2020 with our market updates. And yeah, I'm Sean Murphy. Been every week giving you the updates on the new hotness in our neighborhood. This week we have five homes that are on for sale on the market, and we have one home that is that new hotness, and we get two properties that sold this past week. So I'm going to cover that one new property. I'm also going to talk about a little bit about sellers and their situation. If you're looking to move and move out of Harvey Park, sell your home to right size or get the hell out of here. Well, especially the folks that are trying to stay in the Denver area, it's tough because you're writing you're writing an offer in a competitive multiple offer situation, typically with a contingency that your home has to sell before you can buy their property, and that doesn't always show well when stacked against other solid offers. So I have a solution I'm going to walk you through here from a new program with HomeLight, who I've worked with in the past, and so I'll cover that here after I get through the usual business. So let's get into it. If you guys want to follow along, you go to our website, moxiedenver.com. That's MOXIE Denver.com. And it's linked up with the local MLS. So you see what I see when I'm a realtor. So you see what realtors see. All right. Now let's see about this one new home this week. It is 2714 South Raleigh Street. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Was it 1,954 square foot Hutchinson? It's a Hutchinson, the smallest of the Hutchinsons. And yeah, everything's been updated on it. It's got a big pad on the left side there for RV parking, all your toys, whatever you want to do. Put a new carport in there. And then that painted exterior on this bad boy. Shaker cabinets, granite countertops. Looks they opened up the wall a little bit here. Recessed lighting throughout. So it looks like pretty much every surface has been touched on this house. Windows look brand new as well. Cool. So bedrooms, and there's your downstairs with a extra bedroom egress window, 3/4 bath down there as well. Cool. And it's sitting on 8,970 square foot lot. And they are asking, this is where we're at, guys, at the end of 2020 for the smallest of the Hutchinson models. Asking price is $498,900. This one is being brought to you by MB Executive Realty and Investments. So the two properties, hey, get me back on here. There we go. Hey, guys. The two properties that sold this past week, that Cliff May at 2580 South Osceola Street. It was originally listed at $415,000 and it sold for $435,500. 2783 South Zenobia Street, originally listed at $439,950, and it sold for $450,000. So that is it. That's the market update for this week. So back to the seller struggle in Denver. So in case I wasn't too clear on exactly what the problem is that as a seller in Denver, there's crap for inventory right now. There ain't nothing out there. And so a lot of properties are getting gobbled up super quick, which is making prices go up high, and interest rates aren't helping anything. But long story short, it's awesome to sell because your home, as a seller, you're gonna get top dollar, right? As long as it's in decent condition and you're reasonable with your pricing, you're gonna get a good price. But the problem is that if you're trying to stay in Denver, well, you're out there putting in offers because ideally you want to have a place to go before you sell your house, right? So if you're writing offers on other properties that are contingent on your home selling, well, it wouldn't be as a listing agent, if I received an offer from somebody that's contingent, it wouldn't be a big deal because it's the Denver market. I know it's going to sell. But if I have 4 other offers and they don't have that contingency, more likely, all things being equal, I'm going to go with the offer that doesn't have something contingent. So it's really hard for making that transition or finding the perfect property. Sometimes, like, I see people that you might have to settle, right? And that sucks. And you don't want to settle because you feel rushed, and that's not where you want to be. So what this investor, it's a HomeLight, their solution is they will give you 90% of the value of your home. And so I'll do a comparative market analysis. They'll run their numbers, and we'll see what your home should be selling for. Then they'll give you 90% of that value. You go out, find the property that you really like, put it under contract, get the hell out of there even, right? This is the kicker on it. Get out of the house. You're out of there. You're transitioned to your new property, and they'll get that additional 10%, and you'll get that back once the property actually sells. So you'll be out of the home. You don't have to worry about showings or anything like that. People come through the house while you're there, especially like kids, dogs, all that sucks showing homes. And then when the property sells, they'll give you the additional 10%, that difference of whatever ever sells. And if it sells for way more, right? Say we're asking 450, that's what we thought, and you got 460, well, you're going to get that difference, all of it, minus a small fee that they have, which is actually negligible. And I can explain a little bit about how so they have a small fee on it. But with what we can do with getting you a better offer and some of the fees we can avoid with the mortgage, it's a really great program. If that's where you're at, that's the situation that you're in, give me a call. I'd love to explain that a little bit more so it makes sense and see if it's a good fit for your situation. Well, I am going to give you guys an update in the coming weeks about what exactly happened in 2020. Long story short, though, we had a slight hiccup or a slight dip in sales for Corona, but then everything's been gangbusters since then, meaning super low interest rates have brought out all the buyers. Everybody wants to buy right now, and there's very limited inventory on the market because sellers are selling. So if this continues next year, the Democrats typically do more to help out like first-time home buyers and things like that. So if we're expecting more programs to benefit buyers into getting into a house, we're going to see even more competition next year, which is it's going to be wild. But yeah, that's it for this week. If you guys have questions, again, we have a team. I live in Harvey Park, so I'm a neighbor. But I have a team of agents. We cover the whole greater Denver metro area, Littleton, Lakewood, Foothills, all the way up to Evergreen, all the way down to Elizabeth, Castle Rock. We got people to help you out. So give me a call, text, email, squirrel by fence, whatever's good for you. And we'll just, we always say we give you the information you need to make the best decision for your situation. All right. I hope you guys had a great holiday spending it with your family. Looking forward to this year ending. And let's kick the shit out of 2021. All right. All right. I'll see you guys.